on October 9th, 2015. This is my first time celebrating my birthday flight. Solo, flying to Half Moon Bay and circle around and have fun. So the tower has cleared me for takeoff, runway 30. The wind is just straight down the runway, no crosswind, so it's going to be a smooth takeoff. The time now is about 5:30 p.m. We're off on the air. I'm gonna fly for about half a mile and then turn left toward Half Moon Bay. The scenery is gonna be beautiful, the sunset. Alright, so we're over Half Moon Bay City right now. So on my right is the Half Moon Bay Airport, but I'm going to turn left because my favorite lighthouse is that way. So now we're flying south along the coast. On the left side is San Gregorio State Beach. I haven't been there yet. It's just beautiful up here. I want to see if it allows God, so I will bring her next time. So this is the lighthouse that I talked about earlier. It's a beautiful lighthouse. It's called Ano Nuevo. I flew around it a lot of times practicing my flying. People just looked up and said, "What the hell is this guy doing? Circling around, scaring people away." So after circling around the lighthouse, I decided to make a few loops around the beach, look at scenery, and I looked north, and I saw clouds coming in, frost coming in over the city, and I decided, hey, it's a good time to go back home, otherwise I have to go down to San Jose and go back up again. So I came back to San Carlos Airport, and at this point I was setting myself up for landing, flying over Redwood City. It's a beautiful city, with water surrounding it. So at this time, the tower had extended my downwind, which means I will fly away from the airport so that I'll leave time for the other airplanes in front of me have time to land. So I'm flying over this salt evaporation pond where you can extract salt from the bay water. I finally turned base to final. The sun has set down right under the mountain, so the city is over kind of in the dark. So I had to take off my sunglasses. It's kind of funny. So you saw on the left side, that's the 101 freeway, and in front of me is the runway. The wind was kind of strong at this time, blowing me from the left, and there's no, I guess, a little bit headwind, but it's not too bad today. There we go. So I touched down, and the tower has instructed me to taxi to park here.